water cup is around here somewhere.
Yeah, because that one's a little bit bigger, but he's gonna get bigger than Shelby is.
Oh yeah.
He's already a lot bigger than she is. So. Yeah, like just his hindquarters, he's huge.
Well, I guess since dog food's technically made of cardboard, right?
Oh, when you switch him with his food, when you switch him with his food, make sure to mix some of his food and then some of the old food.
Whoa.
Transition.
Isn't this stuff for your day, right?
Yeah, he